how to find product URL settings on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find product URL settings on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. First, open your browser and then click settings, and now just type here URL and click on it. And here we'll find store settings. Now you can manage your store URL settings. That's it, just manage anything you want here. And here we'll find product URL settings, and you can change it if you want. You can make it long or short, and that's it. And you can make it custom if you want. I hope that can help you. It's easy. And then just click update your URLs, and then just click save here. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.